Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your golf trolley bag. First, familiarize yourself with your bag's layout, noting the club dividers and accessory pockets. Next, consider how to best distribute the weight of your clubs and gear to ensure stability on the course. Then, learn the correct way to attach your bag to the trolley, using its straps for a secure fit. Finally, we'll cover organizing your accessories so everything is easily reachable during your round. Proper club organization is key for efficiency and club protection. Start by placing your longest clubs, like your driver and fairway woods, in the top section of your bag. This prevents them from getting tangled or damaged. Your mid-irons and hybrids should go in the middle compartments, followed by your short irons and wedges in the bottom slots. If your bag has a dedicated putter well, use it. Otherwise, place your putter at the top with a head cover for protection. Once your clubs are in place, it's time to secure the bag to your trolley. First, carefully lift your golf bag and place its base snugly into the trolley's cradle or platform. Next, locate the trolley's straps, usually one at the top and one at the bottom. Thread the bottom strap around the bag's base and pull it tight, but not overly so. Then, secure the top strap around the upper part of the bag. Give the bag a gentle shake to confirm it's stable and won't shift during your round. Efficient accessory placement keeps your game flowing smoothly. Designate a front-facing pocket for golf balls, ensuring they are easy to grab. Use a smaller, separate pocket for tees and ball markers to prevent them from poking other items. Larger side pockets are ideal for apparel like rain gear or an extra jacket. If your bag has an insulated cooler pocket, use it for drinks and snacks to stay refreshed. Remember to balance the weight of these items to maintain trolley stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.